So, yesterday we talked about our mission statement, and today we want to talk about how you are part of that. Again, our mission is life's epic advancement. And when we talk about life, we want dance to be part of yours. And we don't always realize it, but we have dance everywhere in our lives, be it going to weddings or celebrating an achievement. For some people, attending dance classes can be a stress reliever. For others, we've actually been questioned how their faith can be intertwined with dance. And for that, we've actually introduced a new liturgical class so that we can explore our own faiths, whether you're of a Christian denomination like Catholic or Lutheran. Um, we've had those who are Muslim question, all different backgrounds, and we want dance to be able to be accessible to everyone and find how dance can be part of that for you. When we talk about epic, we want you to be epic. We want you to see that you're impressive and that you can be ambitious and really be grand in your own way, and that everyone really has their own strengths. And it may sometimes be hard for us to always see it, but we can find it through dance. And often I hear dancers comment on how they wish they could do what a fellow dancer is doing, or that another dancer isn't realizing that they are leaving an impression on others. And so we want you to share all of that and really embody the term epic. When we come to the term endancement, we want to find again that way that dance can be entwined throughout your lives in more ways than what meets the eye. It's not just about technique and it's not just about performing. Through it all, dance really teaches us to persevere at our most trying or our worst days. And it teaches us to work individually to better ourselves along with others. And if it weren't for your epicness, you wouldn't be able to each bring something unique to the table. And your uniqueness is what really makes the classes happen when it comes down to performances. What you bring in makes the shows happen. And everybody comes together as a team by building from all of our individual strengths. So, again, we want you to kind of think about our mission statement not just as something that we do as a dance studio, but also how you can find your way to have dance really be part of your life and think a little bit more about life's epic advancement. We look forward to talking to you tomorrow as we also talk about our Star Student program and how our mission statement also kind of works with that as well. So, we hope you have a great day. Thank you very much.